So audio is very important. Whether or not you're starting a YouTube channel, you're a streamer, you're a podcaster, or if you want to do voiceovers and you have a limited budget, right? You shouldn't have to have bad audio because of a budget restraint, right? You don't have to pay hundreds of dollars to get great sound. If you want to upgrade your sound, you don't have to break the bank. You have companies like Tonor that make great microphones. They've been making great microphones for years. And wow, what you're listening to right now is the Tonor TD 510. This under $60 microphone has some great features and functionality that I want to talk about in this video. So let's have some fun. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So audio has been my top priority here on this YouTube channel. Y'all guys been know I've been getting microphones, reviewing them, and audio interfaces and everything else in between, because I believe that audio is 50% of everything, right? And there's no reason to break the bank to get great audio or upgrade your audio. There's no reason to break the bank. Listen, what you're listening to right now is the Tonor TD 510 raw sound, no edits, baby. But if I add some equalization and some enhancements, I would leave a little lower third. That's what I'm talking about. But you can add some equalization and some enhancements in post to make this microphone sound really good, really professional. And that's what I'm talking about. I'm listening to it sound good, baby. That's what I'm saying. But let's talk about what you get in the box. So looking at the box, it's the Tonor logo in the front, all brown box. When you open up the box, you get the microphone itself with the XLR cable, USB-C to USB-A, a user manual, and an amazing price of $53. That's right. This whole system costs $53 as of me recording this video. That's right. $53. Amazing, right? But let me go to do a voiceover, and I'm going to talk about the specs, and I'm going to add some EQ and some enhancements so y'all guys can hear the potential sound of this microphone if you add a little bit of equalization in post. So let's go. So the Tonor TD 510 is a dynamic microphone with a cordial portal pattern with a frequency response of 50 hertz to 14 kilohertz. This microphone has a signal to noise ratio of 95 dB with a maximum SPL of 110 dB. Now this microphone supports both USB and XLR outputs. With its plug and play feature, all you have to do is plug it up to your computer and you are good to go. Now, when using the XLR outputs, you get a very clean analog signal with very low noise. Now, my room is sound treated, but you know what? For best results, you definitely need some sort of sound treatment in your room to make sure you get the best sound possible. Now, this sound quality that you're listening to right now has full equalization and enhancements. How does it sound? But you know what? Let's talk more about the USB mode, and let me connect this to my computer and give you some more samples. So check this out. All right, guys, so here it is. I'm at my voiceover station, and what you just finished listening to is a complete voiceover using this microphone, which is extraordinary. So this part of the video, I want to talk about the USB out from here going into my computer. So I'm going to tell you something amazing, right? Especially at this price point with this microphone, is that I have USB-C going out into my computer, my Mac studio. And I got Adobe Audition running, and I'm recording this part of the audio. But the crazy thing that I like about this microphone is that I still have my XLR going into my F8N Pro, and I'm recording on my F8N Pro. So what that means is I'm dual recording right now. I'm recording on my computer using Adobe Audition, and I'm recording on my F8N Pro as a backup file. By any chance something happened here, I have a backup file, which is amazing. So at this point, I feel confident that my audio will be perfect. If I lose audio here, I got a backup. If I lose audio here, I got a backup. Not only that, but now I got my headphones in and I got real-time monitoring going on, which is amazing. You have the buttons here at the top, right? You have your volume button up and down, which you can make your adjustments. And also you have a mute button. Now, this is only active on the USB. Now, if you're using XLR, this is not active. But only if you use USB, these buttons at the top is active, which you can turn your volume up and down to say if you're on a podcast and you're too loud, and you can turn the volume down. Or if you call for something, you want to mute it, you just hit the mute button. Okay, so right then and there, you didn't hear anything because I muted myself. This is extraordinary. This $53 microphone, right, has all these features, and the build quality is absolutely amazing. It comes with the XLR, premium XLR cable, nice XLR cable, and it comes with the USB-A to USB-C, which is, again, amazing. So right now, I'm recording on Adobe Audition, and I'm also recording on my Zoom F8N Pro. And this is the sound quality that you're going to get. So let's talk about the build quality here. As you can see, it's a very solid build, all metal here. And it comes with the piece that you connect to an arm. You do have your pop filter, and when you take it off, you see the premium build here. Look how premium that is. You got the capsule about right there. All right. And it looks really good. Put the pop filter back on. It comes with the XLR, which is nice. And it comes with everything you need. So here it is. This is the microphone. Kind of looks similar to some type of microphone that you already know and love. But at the price point of $53, as of me recording this video, you could get this microphone. So let's go and do some more sound tests with the Tonor. All right, guys, so this part of the video, we're going to talk about handling noise, and we're going to also talk about some of my pros and cons with this microphone. First, let's talk about handling noise. Now, I have the Tonor arm, right, because I'm a huge fan of Tonor. So I have the Tonor arm and I have the Tonor microphone. Now, as you can see, I do not have the microphone, the headphones plugged up into the microphone itself. And the reason why is because if you go XLR, you can't monitor your audio with XLR. That's something you need to know. The only way you can monitor your audio is you have to go to USB. Now, once you plug in USB, all the lights up here will light up. So right now, it's nothing I can do. I can't rise or lower my audio using these buttons at the top. So just so you know, only on the USB mode where these buttons will be active, and only on USB mode you can monitor your audio. So let's go and talk about handling noise. Again, this microphone, $53 as of me recording this video. As y'all guys can hear the sound quality, you be the judge for yourself. Sound quality is absolutely amazing. But again, I do want to mention that my studio is sound treated. It's very quiet in here. I have sound blankets everywhere. This room is sound treated. So you will not hear echoing. You will not hear background noise, not a lot of background noise. I do have lights on, and the lights does have fans. But other than that, this microphone is very quiet. I'm going to give you a few seconds of quietness so you can hear how quiet this microphone is. So check this out. See, this microphone is extremely quiet. Now, I do have this microphone connected to my Zoom F8N Pro, and the sound quality that you listen to is absolutely amazing. All right, so let's talk about handling noise. And here we go. Okay, handling noise. Okay. All right. Now, again, these dynamic microphones, you have to be right on it to get that good proximity, right? If you want to get that good broadcast sound, you get right on it and you get that broadcast sound. Now, you do have to have mic technique, right? If you put it right on your, in the air, hit the capsule, now it will block off some of the plosives, but still, I mean, you still would get plosives in this microphone. So if you right on the microphone and you said something like the P and the P and the P's, right? You see the plosives, and I hear it. So this microphone will help with the little plosives, right? You hear it. But mic technique, I would tell you that you would probably want to have the air going that way instead of going inside of the microphone. And if you do that, you will hear the plosives. Overall, you let me know down in the comments below, how do you like this quality of this sound? It's a all metal build here, right? I mean, think about it. This is unheard of, right? And listen, I'm going to show you guys, right? And this is my $1,400 microphone right here after tax, right? This is my expensive microphone that I use all the time. And I know a lot of you guys hear this microphone and it sounds good, but I mean, a lot of people don't want to spend, over $1,000 for a microphone like this. So you have alternatives. And for me, I like audio, and I really appreciate Tonor for, sending this out for review. And you be the judge for yourself. This is the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Tonor microphone and all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.